And talking about lifestyle medicine, of course, often the focus is whole food, predominantly, and diet. So why whole food, plant-based diets over other dietary approaches that are out there?
Okay. Well, I think there are two big reasons in my mind, and this is what I talk to my patients about as well. And the number one is fiber. I think globally, particularly in the developing world, in the developed world, in the Western world, we are not getting enough fiber. I know that in the US and also here in Australia, 97% of the population are fiber deficient. And in fact, it's not dissimilar in South Africa as well. I've seen some studies from South Africa where people will be getting, if you think that the recommended amount of fiber is anything up from 25 grams a day, some communities in South Africa are only taking in about 7 to 10 grams of fiber a day. So that's very, very low. Yeah. So it's a big problem all over the world. So why is fiber so important? Well, it's important for the gut microbiome. That's what the gut microbes want to eat, and it's only through digesting those fermentable carbohydrates that they're able to produce the short chain fatty acids and the other good metabolites that then have incredible health benefits for us. And then the second important aspect of a whole food plant-based diet is, of course, the polyphenols, the phytochemicals, the colorful pigments in the fruits and vegetables, and they also are actually act as prebiotics or food for the gut microbiota. They also digest the phytonutrients and activate them and transform them into useful metabolites for our health. They have incredible anti-inflammatory, antioxidant potential. So that's how I explain it to my patients. I bring in the gut microbiome because I find that people are really intrigued by understanding the gut. Gut health is very topical at the moment. Everyone's talking about it, and for good reason. And it appeals to people. They really like to learn about the gut.
Definitely. And it's very sad. I remember even in my medical school, when talking about fiber, we only talk about the lavage, something that's to help for the bowel movement. But now it has opened up to great stuff, like what you just mentioned, the whole microbiome. And not only that, I mean, for losing weight, for basically other things, it's going to help, getting attracting some calories going down in the person, not getting everything absorbed in the small intestine. So it is a key, really, in whole food kind of is that,
Oh, and the other important thing, of course, back to the gut microbes, is that when they are producing these short chain fatty acids, which as a result of a whole food plant-based diet, these short chain fatty acids are affecting the appetite hormones like leptin and ghrelin and GLP-1, which is what our weight loss drugs are all about. So we can activate our very own GLP-1, and we don't necessarily have to go for weight loss drugs.
Yeah.